What is up, guys? This is Lauren. I'm here at Gatorland Orlando for their holiday ho 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 down event. Let's take a look inside and see what's going on.
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, or two. I thought I'd take a ride. Where is it? And then Miss Fanny Bright, seated by my side. Was leading me fell into a drifting bank, and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bell.
That's a good jumper. I called him happy.
You happy? You happy?
This is the most Florida Christmas you're ever gonna see. There's nothing like this in the world.
He's eyeballing me.
You eyeballing Mike?
Yeah, we got another one coming in.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Come on over here.
As time goes on, these guys are probably gonna swim away. So I'd try to get in line now.
Hey, how's it going? Happy holidays! Lots of holiday decorations as you walk down the pathway.
If he makes any sudden moves, just get out of there.
Hi, Gator Claus. How's it going?
So, good Gator Claus usually in your house, you're going to want to put some kind of plastic lining or stockings and it's just going to be up and walking and whatnot. So, just know that.
Awesome. Thank you.
Heat exhaustion, it's a thing, and it happens at theme parks in Florida. People from the north just aren't used to this kind of weather. You know?
Striking a
So,
pose.
then let's go over and see this little critter over here.
Yes. His name's Huckleberry. Very friendly.
Hey, buddy.
He's about 6 years old.
Who do we have here?
This is a skunk. This is Huckleberry, and he's our 6-year-old striped skunk. And he's out here doing some encounters. He's like the friendliest little skunk I've ever met. He's so sweet.
Aw. Mind if I pet him?
Absolutely.
Aw. So soft.
He's very soft. We give him baths regularly.
Perfect. Oh, that was brilliant. Yes, I know. He's a baritone. That's what he's trying to tell you.
So apparently, pink chickens do live in snow. So we're about to take a ride on the train, and as you can see, it's decorated in icicles as you walk up.
Now this is the story of Bubba's Christmas crisis. Now let's see if we can find all his gifts and help him save Christmas.
It was a week from last Tuesday, and Bubba was miffed because someone had taken all of his gifts.
Those were my presents! Not just talking about how he smells.
When Bubba found Skunk Ape, he was mad at first sight. He marched up to Skunk Ape all ready to fight.
You took all my presents, you great big lug!
But when Bubba reached Skunk Ape gave him a hug. Then Skunk Ape held up a gift of his own, wrapped in leaves and some vines twisted into a bow. He gave it to Bubba and smiled so wide that Bubba felt guilty and wanted to hide.
He was so sad, and little Randolph the pink-eyed gator said to himself, well, Sacagawea, I gotta do something to save Christmas. All of a sudden, Randolph looked up in the sky and saw in a haze of magic and sparkles and glitter and Christmas lights a really, really big, beautiful figure with the most biggest gigantic wings and hair flowing like spun gold and blue eyes and a halo, and she was magnificent. You see, she was Randolph's Christmas angel.
It's Lauren.
Lauren!
Yes.
We're going to take a look, Lauren.
Oh, am I in the naughty or nice list? Oh, the back of the book. LA, yeah. Yeah, as a state.
Lauren.
Yeah, Lauren.
No, that's Ralph Lauren.
Ralph Lauren.
All right.
Okay, there it is.
Yeah, she's
Found me.
She's been good.
Alright, yay, candy. Woohoo! Sweet. Thank you. Well, that's going to do it for our update here from Gatorland for their holiday ho-ho-ho-down event. And as always, if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and we will see you out on the Midway.